Hey everyone, today for you I have a review of a trimmer for the ladies. It does nose, eyebrow, and other areas of hair. It is chargeable and it is small. You can see it fits all in this little small box here. It is a 4-in-1. Here it is in its container. And it also has an instruction book, which I'll show you. Okay. Here's your little unit here. Okay, and it's got a regular little razor here in the bottom. And then it's got your USB port here in the back. And so you keep that pressed on there. And then this one just removes. And they're very easy to change. Here's your nose hair cleaner, nose hair trimmer. Here is your let's get it on there right. That is for, you can also use this for nose, but little areas where you need hair removed. It does it very easily. This here will take care of hair in a bigger area. This is a comb for the one I just showed you. It gives you a little bit of a height difference. And then you also get to it here, a little hairbrush to clean the hair bristles out. So you get all this stuff here. All this works really well. Does its little job. It's very small, as you can see. It'd be easy for you to keep this in a purse. If you need to do a trim, keep it in your vanity, wherever you might want to keep it. And the price is good on this. So great little shaver. I'm glad I had a chance to review it for you. Thanks for watching.